Alright, so what's going on, guys? And today we're going to be building a PC. So, my name's CG Build. I love building PCs. If you are new, because I am such a small channel, and if you're recurring, thank you. I appreciate you for subscribing. If you're new, go ahead and subscribe. But if you know me because my dream PC build, one of my videos I did, one of my best videos I've ever done. I'm going to be honest, a lot of the same parts are coming into this one. I really just wanted to change the case, get a new look, just a new feel to put on my desk. So I mean, if you watch that video, pretty much all the same parts are going to be used. Now, I will say the quality since that video was shot with the 11 Pro Max, and this video is shot with a Canon M50. So, really big step in quality. I've been really trying to put a lot of effort into these videos. I'm not going to keep your time. I will ask if you do enjoy this video and all the effort I put in, go ahead and leave a like. Subscribe for more content like this in the future. And let me know what you want to see next, man. I'm having withdrawals. I want to make videos. I just don't know what to make. But without further ado, let's talk about these parts. Alright, so first we have the CPU. The CPU I'm rocking is the Ryzen 9 3900X. I don't really feel the need to upgrade this. I mean, it would be great, but I don't want to pay a scalper. And plus, I mean, it works for everything I have, and I've never had a problem with it. For the motherboard, we have the Gigabyte b550 Vision D. If you noticed, I went back to this instead of the N7 b550 from NZXT. But that's for another video, so if you want, you can go ahead and subscribe to see that video in the future. The RAM is the same. It is the Thermaltake 3600 MHz, 32 GB sticks. I really don't see others using this, and I mean, I think they're really cool and unique. So I mean, the software is not that good, but I mean, I don't know. I just want to be unique. The GPU used in this is the ZotacGaming Trinity OC edition. This card has really grown on me. At first, I really didn't like the look of it, but it was the only 3080 I can get that wasn't paying a scalper. It's really grown on me. I really like the look of it. The power supply used is the Corsair RM750. Nothing special. I just got it on sale. And the 750 watt is kind of a lower end of power that you want to use with 3080, but at the same time, there's many videos and a lot of evidence that show that like it's good. You know what I mean? If I have any other problems, I will upgrade, but it should be okay. Storage used is the 1 TB Samsung 970 EVO. I mean, what is there else to say? It's an M.2. It works very well. We're using an AIO for this build, the same as before, the NZXT Z63. I was thinking of upgrading, but I actually like the cam software, so I decided just to stick with it. Plus, the LCD just like screen, dude, it looks so good. Fans used are the lian LL120s. These fans, in my opinion, look the absolute best on the market. Plus, they make cable management an ease, bro. Like I feel like a sponsor or something, but like this is really good product. I really like these fans. There's no more rat's nest back there, especially when you use like Corsair fans or whatever. But yeah, so it's a no-brainer to me. And last but not least is the case, the Corsair iCUE 4000X. I know it's not like the newest, but I did a poll on my YouTube, and a lot of people wanted to see this case. So here it is. I'm glad to provide. Alright, so that was the build. Hopefully you did enjoy. Here it is right here. I do have a couple things to say. The whole power supply issue. I tried. It's not the 750 watt, 850. It's not. That's not the problem. The power supply would not work. Tried many times. Many things. Went to Best Buy. Get a new one. They wouldn't return my old one. Even though I bought it from there 2 days ago. Didn't want to return it. So now I'm out, what, a little over 250 bucks. But I got it home, used the 850 cords on the 750 watt one, and it worked. But the 850 didn't work with any cords. So I don't know. Whew, I'm just happy it's over with. Another issue I had, the lian fans, bro. At the beginning of the video, I talked about how easy it was. Or like, the fans are so easy. But like, I've used it on 2 different motherboards. Not a single problem. Instantly connected with the software. This one did not work with the software. Now, whatever you think, I'm gonna be honest, I still didn't fix it. I tried everything. I went on so many Reddit posts, so many YouTube videos, everything. Anything that you think you could have done, like going into Device Manager, looking up the lian fans, doing the gigabyte fix that they have on their website, nothing worked. I tried different connects in there on my motherboard, nothing worked. And then all of a sudden I'm like, you know what? I'm done. I'll give it up. I gotta go work. Worked for a couple days, came back, plugged it all up. I was like, let's just see if it turns on. Cause I'm whatever. I don't care. I'm just gonna use this default colors, record this video because it needs to be done. Turn it on. It worked. It just worked. It worked for no reason, bro. And it's not like I wasn't restarting the computer and, you know what I mean? I don't know what I did for it to fix, but it worked. So, if you have any problems with it, don't ask me because I don't know how to fix it. But, even though with all the heartache, it's here. And I think it looks really good. It's a really good look. It's like a different from the 011 Mini. Once again, dude, I love the 011 Mini. I'm actually going to build my mom's PC in it because she loved it so much. I needed something new, man. Especially not only for a YouTube video, but I needed something new for me to look at. You know what I mean? Even though it's so simple as a case, I just needed something new. Yeah. That's it. That's pretty much everything. Thanks for watching. I want to say subscribe for more content like this in the future. I am going to be talking about the N7 NZXT in another video, and I'm also going to be building my mom's PC in a lian 011, so stick around for that, I guess, and yeah, that's it. I'll see you in the next video.